Hello and welcome to the video. This is a very quick public service announcement for all of you pilots out there in Australia. I'm sure there are other Australian based YouTubers who are talking about this, but this is more of a awareness thing for you guys out there. Now, a gentleman called Murray contacted me to let me know that this was going on. So Murray, massive thank you to you for doing that. But there is another round of consultation happening in Australia around drones and registration and the 250 gram limit and all of that goodness. Now, I'm going to put a link down below so you can go and have a look at it, and the way it appears to be is if you follow it through, you'll eventually get to the part that allows you to kind of provide the feedback, and you have to give your details, who you are, where you live, and then you can answer the questions as they appear on this thing. Now, it actually closes on the 22nd of February, so you've got several weeks to get round this. My personal view on these things is if there is an opportunity for you to let the legislative bodies know that the vast majority of people who fly multi-rotors are responsible pilots, then that's not necessarily a bad thing. There's an awful lot of press around drone flying, particularly on the negative side. Here in the UK, we've had Gatwick and we also had an incident at Heathrow. In a lot of cases, subsequently, these things that are all accredited to drones in the heat of the moment are subsequently found to not be drones. There's a lots of near miss reports that include drones that subsequently are proven to not be drone reports. So it's all adding to that positive weight that we need to let the legislators know about, so they don't just ban the entire hobby in the majority of the world unless you want to fly a 250 gram quad. So again, the link's in the description down below. If you're a pilot on Australia and you haven't already got involved with this and fed back on the consultation, then this is an opportunity and you've got a couple of weeks to do it. Again, finally, massive thanks again to Murray for letting me know about this. This is something that as a community we have to get involved in just to make sure that we don't all end up being legislated out of existence. Thanks for watching the video and watching right to the very end. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you like the video and like what I'm doing here, then hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon too. If you really like what I'm doing, you can go the extra mile and become one of my Patreons for access to me directly for support and also giveaways and regular updates too. If you're looking for particular content, then check out the playlist. I organise all of my videos into playlists, so if you're looking for a particular topic, you can find everything here. If it's called Introduction To, it's designed to start very simply and build on that simple introduction to teach you all about it. If it's called For Beginners, then that is really aimed at people who are brand new to that part of the hobby. You can also search on YouTube for anything that you're interested in using the search function at the top. So iNav Painless 360 will find all of my videos and even the playlists around iNav. So thanks again for watching and happy flying.